Discover the Walensee Weed Puller, the perfect garden tool to make weed removal easier and more efficient. With a standing handle measuring 39 inches, you can uproot weeds without bending or kneeling, reducing effort and discomfort. Its pointed three-core design penetrates various soil types to grab weeds and root securely. Made from durable stainless steel, this tool is built to last and help keep your garden pristine. You'll find the purchase link, description and in the pinned comment. Looking for a powerful and reliable way to keep your outdoor spaces spotless? The Desconocida Weed tool is your perfect gardening buddy. With its heavy-duty design, it easily cuts through roots and tough weeds, making patio and driveway maintenance a breeze. Its comfortable ergonomic grip reduces hand fatigue, while durable metal construction ensures long-lasting use. Whether you are a gardening enthusiast or a professional landscaper, this versatile tool is a must-have for removing moss, dandelions, and deep-rooted weeds with ease. Find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking for an easy way to keep your garden weed-free? The Desconocida Weeder is your perfect gardening companion. With its lightweight, hollow-handled design, it makes pulling weeds and digging chores quick and effortless. The 4-tine tool loosens soil without back-breaking squats, while its high-quality manganese steel ensures long-lasting durability. Whether you're removing pesky weeds or planting new flowers and vegetables, this multifunctional tool has you covered. Make gardening easier and more enjoyable today. Find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Introducing the TDBS Weeder Set, your all-in-one solution for efficient outdoor cleaning. This versatile kit includes a long-handled weed remover, a handheld weed scraper, and a durable metal brush, making it perfect for removing moss and weeds from patios, driveways, and roof areas. With its innovative design, it effortlessly tackles tough grime and unwanted plants, ensuring your outdoor surfaces stay clean and neat. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Desconocida Patio Weeder, your ultimate gardening companion. This versatile 3-in-1 set features an adjustable stainless steel handle that extends from 17 inches to 60 inches, reducing back and knee strain. Its innovative 2-in-1 V-shaped brass bristles weed brush, along with sturdy stainless steel weed scrapers, effortlessly tackles deep-rooted weeds, moss, and cracks in your patios, driveways, and pavements. They're easy to assemble, switch heads quickly, and built to last. Transform your gardening routine today. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the TDBS Weeder tool, your all-in-one solution for effortless outdoor weed removal and cleaning. Featuring a durable metal brush, long handle, and handheld scraper, this versatile set tackles stubborn weeds, moss, and dirt on patios, driveways, and roof tiles. Its innovative design makes weeding and cleaning quick and easy, transforming your outdoor space with minimal effort. Whether you need to scrub moss or remove weeds, the TDBS Weeder tool is your perfect garden companion. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking for an easy way to keep your garden weed-free? Meet the LAWFYMORI Weed Puller. With an extra long handle that adjusts to 4 different lengths, it's perfect for gardeners of all heights. Its versatile 2-in-1 design features deep-reaching weed rake and flat garden hog, making weed removal, soil leveling, and planting breeze. Crafted from high-quality cast steel, it's durable and rust-resistant. Make gardening simpler and more enjoyable today. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment.